Welcome to Carlam Cymru, a collection of videos to help you with your revision. Whether you're in year 10, 11, 12 or 13, I'm sure you'll get lots of revision tips from your subject teachers. But here's something extra that you can try. If you haven't yet discovered these videos, how about giving them a go? Watching a video can be a very effective way of reminding yourself of the key information you will need for the exams. In the collection, there are also videos that give tips on revision strategies and others that give advice on how to take care of your mental health during the exam period, which is really important. So check them out. These videos are created by experienced teachers from all parts of Wales, and they are free for all. There are videos available in all these subjects, from art and design to Welsh. So there's sure to be something here for you. Do go to the website to explore what's there. So how do we find these videos? Well, go to the Carlam.Cymru homepage. Once here, click the left-hand orange tab, Find a Video.
So this is the Carlam Cymru homepage on carlam.cymru. There's a little bit of information there which we've already covered, and there are a couple of videos underneath as well. But we're going to go into the left-hand orange tab there called Find a Video. So this is the most efficient way to find what you need. There on the top you have the subject-specific videos, and beneath that you have other videos which I've mentioned earlier in this video. The revision skills videos that give tips and strategies on getting the best out of your revision time, and then very importantly the well-being videos which give you advice on how to take care of your mental health during the exam period, so really important. We're going to concentrate now on the subject-specific videos. So you have your choice of language. So let's click on videos in English. And then you have your choice of level. So of course, if you're in year 10, 11, you're going to click on the GCSE tab. If you're in year 12, the AS, and year 13, the A level. So just to show an example, let's click on the GCSE tab there. And then you have all those tabs coming up, which are all the subjects available. So there are revision videos in all those subjects. Let's click on biology to see what's there. The newest videos appear at the top, as you see, but there are a lot of topics covered in these videos, so please do use them. If you're studying biology, of course, you can choose any of these subjects which are relevant to you. So there's a wide variety of subjects, from digital technology to German to music, additional maths, all sorts of subjects. So please do use these resources. Please do watch these fantastic revision videos that are going to give you additional help for the exams. They are there for you. They are free. So please use them.
And to finish, here's a two-sided postcard advertising these revision sources. So a pile of these postcards has been sent to every secondary school in Wales. So please look out for them in your school and grab one before they all go. Finally, the only other thing to say is good luck with your revision and the very best of luck for the exams.